Today, we will explore how you can transform a simple chat group into a thriving community. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what a chat group is. Basically, it's like a digital space where people come together to engage in real-time conversations. You might think, isn't that the same as a community? Well, not quite. While a chat group shares some characteristics of a community, the dynamics can differ. Communities are more than just chatting. It has additional elements beyond real-time chat that contribute to their development and growth. Communities tend to possess a sense of continuity and longevity, focusing on developing and fostering ongoing relationships and interactions amongst its members. Now, how can we move from a mere chat group to a sustainable community? This begins with identifying your community value and choosing the right platform to host your community. We know this can be very overwhelming, so let's break it down. First, think about your potential community members. It's crucial to identify what platform they're already using, so you're not pushing them into unfamiliar territory. For example, if you're building a gaming community, you would choose Discord over WhatsApp, given its popularity amongst gamers. Next, you need to consider which platform will support your engagement efforts. If you're mostly broadcasting announcements, then consider platforms that allow one-to-many engagements like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. If you prefer many-to-many discussions, online forums or messaging apps with group features, such as Reddit or WhatsApp, might be your best bet. And if you enjoy engaging in private discussions through direct messaging, instant messaging apps like Telegram could be the way to go. To wrap up, the journey from starting a chat group to building a community involves two crucial steps. First, identifying where your potential members are. Second, choose the best platform where you can effectively engage with your members. Stay tuned for more tips on how to build a community.